During my 4 years, I have participated in 6 outbound opportunities. The UBC summer program in my year 1, and the Russia internship and Myanmar service learning in my year 2. US exchange and Cambridge summer program in my year 3. And finally, I started the brand building project, which received the Global Student Project Fund in my final year. I think it's a result of push and pull. The pull factor is the attraction of new countries, new culture, and new friends. And the push factor is the encouragement of PolyU. PolyU made me realize it's never difficult to go globally and do some things meaningful. Financial consideration is very important for traveling abroad. With enough funding, I can widen my global education experience and achieve my dream. In year 2, I went to Moscow for my internship and worked at Airbus for 2 months. I worked with my colleagues on a CRM system and applied my knowledge of database in that position. This experience also encouraged me to further my study as a data scientist in the US. I also went to Myanmar for service learning. We gave a series of science lectures to local students in the middle school. Since we didn't speak their language, we had to cooperate with partners from local universities for the translation during the class. It was really tough at the beginning due to cultural difference, but when I was involved in their culture, the process became smoother. During my exchange in NUS, I learned the 3D printing construction method, and I hope to use this method to build a real house in just half a day. So I applied for the Global Student Project Fund to start the brand building project in my year 4. We hope to apply the 3D printing technology as an effective post-earthquake reconstruction method in Ya'an. It's really meaningful to launch such a practical and challenging project with a new technology as an undergraduate student. Therefore, it will benefit my future career certainly. At least I'm brave enough to try some new things instead of sticking on traditions. That's why I'm going to the US to further pursue my dream to become a data scientist.